Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 22 of 2019. And this campaign, we are launching our newest women's fragrance called Live Out Loud. And it is an exciting affirmative statement of pure confidence, fierce independence, and vibrant energy. And it was our perfumer was actually inspired by Avon representatives. So I thought that was really kind of a cool inspiration for a new scent. So, live out loud is just kind of, how we encourage folks to live, just, be very confident and vibrant and colorful and be very independent. So it is a great scent. It's not your typical heavy fall scent. And you'll notice it's coming out a little bit earlier in the year than we normally do our fourth quarter fragrance launch. It's a little earlier. Usually we have one that comes out right near Christmas. This one's a little bit earlier because it's a lighter scent. Beautiful bottle there with the bold Live Out Loud statement. And we also have it in a Live Out Loud fragrance tattoo pen or body ink pen. So this is a kind of a new form, a new way to have a little fun with your fragrance. It's a pen. It comes out in kind of a black ink. It does wash off. It's not a tattoo, kind of like a temporary tattoo. So it's almost like a marker, and you can draw on the skin, not on the face, anywhere else. You can draw on the skin and have a little fun with it. Put your statement for the day. Have a little fun with some hearts or stars or flowers, whatever you like. And the ink in the pen has the scent. So it's a very fun, exciting way to wear your fragrance beyond just your regular, spritz it on in the morning, and to live out loud and make a statement at the same time. So the scent is a mix of wild strawberries, sparkling mimosa, so you get a little bit of a citrus scent there, and fluffy vanilla, which is, like vanilla, but a very light and airy vanilla, not a really heavy, warm vanilla. So really interesting scent, and you can check that out, the Live Out Loud scent. And even though this debuts in the Campaign 22 brochure, it is actually already available on my online store. So if you're seeing this video before Campaign 22 goes live on October 1st, when Campaign 22 goes live on October 1st, if you're seeing this before that, you can actually get the Live Out Loud now on my online store. So youravon.com/carnold. You can order that already. So I don't remember if the pen is available yet. I think just the fragrance itself. And next up, I have not a new product, but wanted to highlight one of our older products. The weather is starting to cool down, and we're getting some not quite so standing under a heat lamp sunny days. So I figured it was a good time for a reminder that you need sunscreen every day, not just on the hot and sunny days. You want to make sure that you're protecting your skin from the aging and damage that comes from the sun. And so I wanted to share one of our more recent introductions to our product line. It's the Hydra Fusion Daily Beauty Defense Sunscreen Lotion. And it does have our highest SPF, which is an SPF of 50. And the only other day lotion that we have that is an SPF 50 is our Skin Invincible Day Lotion. This does also have antioxidants to help protect from free radicals in the environment. It is a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it protects both from the UVA rays that cause burning and the UVB rays, or got that backwards, UVB rays that cause burning, and the UVA rays, which are more responsible for the signs of aging. It is very, we call it feather light. It's very quickly absorbed. You would use it as the last step in your regimen. Sunscreen is always the last step in your regimen. And you would use it after moisturizing. Now, this is one of those things where I would say, play around with it and see. You may find this moisturizing enough in itself, depending on what else you're using in your regimen. This is a great addition to your morning skincare regimen if you are using a moisturizer that does not have sunscreen in it. This is lightweight enough that you can still add this over your other moisturizer and not have it feel very weighty or like you have too much on your skin or cause it to be oily. So, you know, good option for that. But like I said, always the last step in your regimen. It is a very, like I said, very lightweight lotion, and just absorbs in super quickly. You know, which is great because you might be in a little bit of a hurry. You always want to do your sunscreen 15 minutes before sun exposure. So, you know, if you're rushing at the end of your morning routine, this is going to absorb quickly and start working. It has a nice, pleasant scent. It doesn't smell like sunscreen. It's I don't know how I would describe it, but it's a very light scent. It's not something that like you're going to be smelling it all day, but it's a pleasant scent for the short amount of time that you are smelling it. And also if you're using it on your hands, because of course anything that you do on your face should also go on your neck, your chest, and the back of your hands, because all those areas need a little bit of love too. So it's your Hydra Fusion Daily Beauty Defense Sunscreen Lotion. Sun may not be baking you the way it was over the summer, but you do still need sunscreen every single day, and even when you're not going out. Because like right now, I'm a couple feet away from a window, so it may not be in direct sunlight, but I'm still getting that sun exposure. So you do want to be sure that you're wearing sunscreen every single day, and this is a great way to add that to your regimen. Let's see, next up, oh, we have some new jewelry. I actually think I'm going to switch out my old necklace here and wear this set today, but I wanted to not have it on yet so that I can show you a close-up of it. But this is our Autumn Shimmer collection. So here's the whole collection. We have the bracelets here. Oops, here. We have the stackable rings. The model has on the set with the green accents in the silver tone. And then we have up here the kind of neutral accents with the gold tone. And then we have the necklace and earring set, which is the piece I think I'm going to wear today. Of course, my hair's up, so I think I might actually wear earrings today. Don't wear them all that often, mostly because I always worry about scratching my phone with the earrings, because I do actually use my cell phone as a telephone. But this is the neutral set in the gold tone. You see it's got a really pretty kind of sheer stone that catches the light quite well. So it's a really pretty, and this is kind of a subtle, I'd call it sort of a creamy beige kind of color, but just a very neutral. You see, even with, you know, my cool clothing palette and all of that, still, I feel like I'm holding it up backwards there. Okay. Still goes great with the outfit. So that's why I think when I was looking at it this morning, I think I may switch out my jewelry for that. And we also have our other new collection. This campaign is our Sparkling Leaf collection. And I find anything with a leafy motif is always very popular. But typically when we have a leafy motif, it's something kind of dangly, like hanging leaves. Like this is more like leaves on a vine, which is kind of nice. You've got let's see, which necklace? This necklace and earring set doesn't really have the leafy part to it, but the rest of the collection here with the necklace, bracelet, and ring. So I picked up the ring from this collection, and I really like kind of the way that looks on the hand. It's very different from, it definitely got an asymmetrical look. So if you're looking for something not so symmetrical and even, this is a fun piece. So that gives it just a much different look than a lot of other rings. So that's the Sparkling Leaf collection, and the ring in that. And then last but not least, as always, we have our fantastic A box for this campaign. First off, I love the box. I mean, really, the box is not something I'm going to be using every day, but I really like the print on that one, the kind of artist palette smear to it. But this is your draw and paint A box, and it's a 4-piece set, only $10 with any $40 purchase from campaign 22. And you have your nail color, and it's the gel finish nail color in Lavender Sky. There's the color, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like on as well. Because sometimes it's hard to judge the color through the bottle sometimes, because the way the light reflects on the glass kind of changes the way the color looks. So I'll paint some on the corner of the card here. Oh, I just realized I'll have a little bit of fun. Maybe do a little bit of a heart here. Very, very subtle heart there, but that's what the lavender sky there. So it's a nice light purple, but not like a pastel-y light. It's got a bold, you know, not really sheer, not pastel, but a lighter purple. Almost. Yeah. You can see on the card there when it's not in the bottle with the light going through the glass affecting the color. It is a little bit darker and a little bit closer to my shirt color, which was not on purpose. Didn't actually remember that it was quite that close in shade. And with that, you also get these really cool little bejeweled little things you can stick on your nails. So they're like little jewels you can put on. So you put on your polish, put the jewel on, and then do your top coat over to seal it in. So those are kind of fun. There's 4 different colors. You've got clear, kind of a turquoise color, turquoise or teal color. You've got a purple and kind of a pale pink. And it looks like 1, 2, 4 different sizes in those. I know they're kind of hard to see on the camera on the book there. But, you also get the Mega Effects liquid eyeliner. And that's kind of an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner pencil there in black. And you get the 2-in-1 lip tattoo in inked rose. So I'll put this on here to show you which color that is. That's kind of the lighter, kind of neutral, almost nude pink color. So this I think is the most universally flattering and most popular color in this line. So, and of course, this is, you have your thin end for lining and precision, and you have your fill end, which is got this nice slanted side on it. To turn that so you can see there's one side is, this side right here is flat and slanted, so it makes it really easy to fill in the whole lip. So that's the 2-in-1 lip tattoo, and that is all part of the A box for this campaign, your draw and paint, and it's a $37 value for only $10 with any $40 purchase. So that is your campaign 22 for 2019. We'll see you again in campaign 23 with some, the holiday items are coming out. We're starting to get some holiday gifts and decor and just super, super fun stuff for the Christmas holidays. And, you know, if you want to make sure you've got your very own brochure, because of course I can only show you so much in the video, but if you want to be sure that you've got your very own brochure so you can see every single new item and get a good look at those, be sure to message me, reach out to me with your mailing address if you'd like to get the physical brochure by mail. Or your text or email if you'd like to get the digital brochure at the beginning of each campaign. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.